Hello everyone. Today, we will show you a project based on the BearPi, a development board. BearPi HN Nano, PWM, also known as pulse width modulation, is a technique used to encode analog information into a digital signal by varying the width of the pulse. For those who are interested in learning about PWM, you can search for relevant information on PWM. This is the PWM-related API in the BearPi platform. Initialize, the initialize, start, and stop PWM output, among other functions, are available in the BearPi platform. Finally, we can control the on/off state through a button press. After pressing the button, the LED will start flashing. Next, let's enter VS Code. First, create a task. In this task, initialize the GPIO. Set GPIO to pin to the multiplex and output mode. Initialize the PWM port. It is to present the blinking of the light based on the duty cycle. Starting from 0, it increases by 100 each time until it reaches 40,000. Its duty cycle will keep increasing. In other words, the LED will continuously increase in brightness, then turn off, and then increase in brightness again. And it will repeat this process continuously. Compile the code. Select the burning file. Press the reset button on the development board. Disconnect the connection. After successful burning, you can see the effect on the BearPi development board. After pressing the reset button, it will cycle from the darkest to the brightest after pressing the reset button. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code. Let's understand the concept of this experiment. That's all for today. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.